How to prepare your personal net worth statement. Welcome, everyone, to today's tutorial on preparing your personal net worth statement. A net worth statement is a snapshot of your financial health, and creating one is simpler than you might think. So let's dive right in. Firstly, what exactly is a net worth statement? It's a financial document that compares your assets to your liabilities. In simple terms, assets are what you own, and liabilities are what you owe. The difference between the two is your net worth. Let's start with your assets. Begin by listing all your assets, including your home, car, savings, investments, and any other valuable items you own. Don't forget to include any other properties or businesses that are under your name. Each asset should have a corresponding value. For real estate, use the current market value. For vehicles, use the resale value. For investments, use the current value of your portfolio. Remember, values fluctuate, so your net worth statement is only accurate for the date it's prepared. Now, let's move on to liabilities. Liabilities include mortgages, car loans, student debt, credit card debt, and any other money you owe. Like assets, each liability should have a corresponding value. To calculate your total liabilities, simply add up all the amounts you owe. It's important to be honest and thorough here. Omitting liabilities will only give you a false sense of your financial health. Now that we have our assets and liabilities, it's time to calculate our net worth. Subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. This final figure represents your net worth. If it's a positive number, congratulations. This means you have more assets than liabilities. However, if your net worth is negative, don't panic. This simply means your liabilities outweigh your assets. It's a signal that you may need to reduce debt and increase savings. Remember, your net worth is not a judgment of your worth as a person, but a tool to help you assess your financial health. Your net worth statement should be updated regularly. I recommend doing this at least once a year. This allows you to track your progress, make adjustments, and stay in control of your financial situation. Creating your first net worth statement can be a bit daunting, but it's a vital step towards financial health. Remember, the goal here isn't to have the highest net worth possible. Rather, it's to understand your current financial standing and make decisions that steer you towards your financial goals. In conclusion, a net worth statement is a valuable tool in understanding and improving your financial health. It's a simple document that anyone can prepare. So why not give it a try? Start your journey towards financial health by preparing your personal net worth statement today.